that there's always fresh produce.
The Harlem Community Fridge sat on the corner of 116th Street and Manhattan Avenue.
It's essential. They should be everywhere.
Boyewa says the deli providing the sidewalk space told her she now has to move.
We had to leave. Change is good, right?
Pix 11 News spoke to the deli owner Monday by phone. He tells us the fridge wasn't maintained and cost him money to keep it powered up. Boyewa says that's absolutely not true. The fridge has an Instagram account called the Harlem Community Fridge. Food is delivered by a network of volunteers.
Has been such an asset to this community here in Harlem.
Word about the fridge moving out traveled fast on the street.
I don't know why they moved it from there.
And social media.
We're very happy to store it temporarily.
The JCC around the corner stepped in.
You can see it's empty and not functional at the moment.
The JCC is giving it a temporary storage place at its Harlem headquarters until it finds a new home.
Listen, this fridge is a critical part of the mutual aid infrastructure in this neighborhood, and it has genuinely saved lives in this pandemic.
Boyewa says the fridge needs a permanent new place to call home as soon as possible. She's looking for a small business with a little space, access to electricity to plug it in, and a lot of love for their community.
We hope that someone out there, someone within a few blocks radius, because we don't want me to move too far.